Can my brother be my Wali, meaning my guardian, for my marriage if my father does not agree to the man I want to marry? It's a rule of thumb. Your father cannot force you to marry someone you don't want. So even if he's happy with it, your mother is happy with him, your whole family is happy with the man, you go to the court or to the marriage city hall and they ask you for your approval, you simply say no. No one can force you to get married to someone you don't want. And the second part of the equation is you cannot marry without the approval of your guardian, of your father. Imagine if every girl loved a man whom the father does not approve of, and she moves on to a second guardian, a brother, an uncle, or any person. What would be the role of the guardian then? The Prophet said, there is no marriage valid without the approval of the guardian. So if your father does not approve of it, of a person, you cannot marry him. The only exception, which is hypothetical, that when your father rejects 7 or 10 reasonably suitable suitors who propose, and he keeps on rejecting them without any justification, without any legitimate reason. In this case, you can go to the Muslim court. And if you don't have a Muslim court in your country, you go to the authorized Islamic center, you complain to them that your father is preventing you from getting married. They'll look into your case, and then if they agree that your father is a hurdle in front of you getting married, they will allocate and designate someone else to be your guardian, whether he's your paternal grandfather, whether he is your paternal uncle or your brother, who would have the authority to bypass your father as a guardian due to this injustice. But this is rare, that you find a father blocking or rejecting 7, 8, 9, 10 good proposals. If he rejects 1 or 2, this is within his rights. He may think that this guy is not from my country, not from my race. He's not religiously a good practicing person. He has a low income that would not give you a good life. This is the power of the guardian to evaluate those who propose, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.